Today we're gonna fix Christmas by making a vegan lasagna. This is everything you need. We got our cheeses, we got our meatballs, we got some zucchini, our pasta, tomatoes. This is how we're gonna make our ricotta cheese with tofu and cream cheese. Got some broccoli, got a pan, stove, got some pasta sauce. It's gonna be delicious. First, we're gonna cut up some tomatoes and throw them in the sauce. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add tomatoes to the sauce. Don't this up. All right. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. Oh, there's way too many tomatoes for the sauce. I want to have this on a low heat. That's the wrong one. That's correct. I'm going to put that to a 2, whatever that means. We're going to mix this up and get it all. We're going to add just a little bit of garlic. Whoa. Yeah. Shut up! Next, we're going to prepare our veggies. Cut everything up, and then we're going to saute them and save them for later. Zucchini. Don't forget to stir. Broccoli. You're just going to want to cut these up in a whole bunch of directions. Quiet. Just cut them up in a whole bunch of things and put them in that bowl. Onions. You're going to want to cut these up and try not to cry. Then we're going to add them to the pan and start cooking our veggies. Alright, now that we have our onions, we're going to oil up this pan, heat it up, and throw them in there. We're just going to add a little bit of garlic. Whoa. Yeah. You're going to want to add some seasoning in there, a little bit of Italian, a little bit of onion, garlic, you know, whatever you like. Starting to get crazy in here. Now add the rest of your veggies. Don't forget to stir! Once you're done, transfer them to a bowl. Now we're going to make the meat using Gardein meatballs. This is not a paid advertising for Gardein. I'm going to saute them up again, add some oil to your pan, get them good. Smash these up a little bit and make sure they fit. Okay. Now it's time for the secret ingredient, the ricotta cheese. We're making it with tofu, vegan cream cheese, and a little bit of parsley. Adding 2 things of tofu, 2 things of cream cheese, and mix it all up. You won't be able to tell the difference. Cream cheese, parsley, tofu. Stir it up. You want to make sure it's nice and creamy, all mixed up. That was easy. All right, almost there. We got our meat. We got our fake cheese ricotta. We got our vegetables. We got our sauce. Now it's time to put everything in the pan. First you want to grease the pan. I use a little bit of olive oil, mash it around, then we'll start layering it. I got the oven ready pasta, so all you do is you wet it a little bit, lay it down, and the sauce and everything else will cook it. Let's get to it. First you want the pasta, then you want some cheese, then you want some veggies, then you want some sauce, then you want some cheese. To mix the ricotta and the meat together. You can do whatever you want. Then you want the pasta. Forgot, add the sauce. Then the ricotta. Then you add the pasta. Then you add the sauce. Then you add the cheese. Oh, yes. Then cover it and put it in the oven. About 375, 400, I don't know, for like an hour. Then uncover it for about 10 minutes and get everything all melted.